Yes, guys, here we are with another video again. I always hear this guy's song, but this guy named Remble. Remble, not like us, is on the freestyle. Okay, yes, guys, you don't need microwave. Okay, yes, because these lyrics have the heat. Okay, yes, so let's see what is popping. You understand? Not like us, everyone is going hard. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel. You understand? And follow me on Instagram. Okay, follow me on Instagram. Let's get right into it right now. Into it, not like
I'm
us.
not from LA, I'm from San Pedro. Write my bars on the paper, they be like cheat codes. Type to pull up to the Met Gala in street clothes. Don't compare me to no chomos or weak lokes. Pop goes the Glico, shot clock the weirdo. They said on
Well, I'm saying I compare him to cheap codes.
but I just bounced out on zero. Don't wear no cape cause we go crazier on heroes. I got a Drake that make a Debo go limbo. My blue rag official, 8th Street to Cabrillo. Let me
Hey,
just
this
set
guy's
the record
tough.
straight. I'm not from LA, I'm from San Pedro. Just ate, but I need more chicken. I'm finna teach you how to catch a body. Give me 4 minutes, dumb nigga. Skip the state and you got more with it. Grand. Heard that nigga hit the county and got tormented. Dumb nigga. Grand. Pop a op, another fundraiser. You ain't seen nothing yet. I'm not tripping. I'm just frustrated. If you too high to squabble up, then why you come faded? You not gonna blow, so cut it out with all that pump faking. It's Remble. Never prayed on the weak, but if you swing, I'ma have to put a brain on the street. I'm from the team, better learn how to behave with the beat. Sitch, every time I drop, I'm gonna get played on repeat. Crib, every time I left, they wish I stayed on the beat. Anybody
Every time he left, they wish he stay on the beat. People, subscribe if you want to see, if you understand. Yes, this is it right here. Not like us freestyle. Remble, good artist, people. You understand? He's tough. People, subscribe to my channel right now.
against me get displayed.
If you don't want to play zero.
TDC. Since T-Mac died, I ain't been happy. Been talking to Draco like, why you leave me here with Ralphie? Remember they tried to take me. Free Cowboy, free Newborn, free Hellcat, free 8th Street. Power up. Don't make me air it at the whole crowd. We finna go up.
People, it seems like everyone after Drake right now. Trust me, everything is dissing Drake, bro. The light, the water, the microwave, everything right now is dissing Drake.
Fucking with us, let us know now. We lost the ruler as depressing as it is. Good finesse, don't got no squabble. Niggas dropped you like a siege. You a bitch. Like what the fuck, this nigga Ralphie throwing kicks. They running laps, what type of buster shit is this? How many of us is it sliding like Gretzky? Calvin's a square and Angel's just straight zesty. All I know about K7, he look musty. Fuck with my dirts, but that bad nigga not gon' punt me. All that fake shit up on the net really disgust me. You niggas dusty, I can't respect that. Hey, go back to your jeweler, get your bread back. Long live the ruler, he was here, he would've.
The youth have VST. Yo, the man say, yo, you niggers dusty, and him cannot respect that. Yo, man, I gotta remove it, bro.
Ledge on. Uh-oh, shots fired. Nigga stand tall. Hey, what's them signs he throwing up?
Yo, people, subscribe if you're not dusty, okay? Yes, and rusty. If you're not dusty and rusty, subscribe to this channel right now, right now.
Hands off. Drop 50 on a fuck nigga. Zach Randolph. I've been tripping since a young nigga. Playing handball. Remember calling duty on some niggas. No Vanguard. Snow Bunny, but this bitty got a black card. Don't got no money, get this bitch up on my black truck. Them boys tell me.
Hey, I do one with Da Baby, and everyone got rocked, bro. Kendrick Lamar got rock, he got a bounce. This guy got a bounce, bro. Yes, man. Everyone making their own dance on the beat, bro.
City girls when we act up. I'll slap a silly fat fuck. You could be by plenty bitches and don't crack nothing.
Trouble.
It ain't shit to turn it back up. Take them to school, I'm finna send them with a packed lunch. And bystanders get a portion if they that tough. No back and forth, I made a fortune off this rap stuff. I'll bet my life they can't rap with me. Take it back, I'll smoke some
make a
spice with you
fortune.
actually. Wake your game up before you fuck your name up. Niggas always acting like they wanna dance but can't crumb. Not gonna be no phase 2 cause they can't get through phase 1. K7 need to lose some weight, that nigga built like phase on. Hey fat cuz, that ain't no walk, that's a tris belly. He'll put them perks down eventually. Although I don't let nothing get to me, y'all was playing cool, so the switch up offended me. Anyway, oh fuck, get some shit on me. More dog shit than your lil homie's big homie. My grandchildren
Yo,
just
this
witnessed
guy,
the
this guy is tough, bro. God, this guy seems like when you put him on the stage, bro, he's not gonna let you down, bro. He's just gonna get the crowd active, bro. Check out this guy, Remble, not like us freestyle. This guy is tough like stone.
I'm from 2nd Street, welcome to Germany. Shoot that M70 like a Serbian. Get that boy over here like I'm Scorpion. Hey, niggas nerds could've played the accordion. Hey, cancel Christmas, I'll be breaking the ornaments. Get up, bitch, come on, you gotta be more practical. Just be yourself, you don't gotta be on testicles. I seen that tweet, I'm like that boy right on schedule. Get side tooth trying to keep that shit professional. You ain't listen to the last round, meathead? Pay attention, you saying the same shit that he said. Blue pesos will never be Draco. Jace Dempsey got Barney on payroll. House party, it's a concert in the back.
Bro, what is he saying? What is he saying, guys? Comment. What is he saying, bro?
That girl was 16 and y'all was grabbing on her ass. All bad. Hope it didn't get no crazier than that. Oh man, don't try to tell me you was faded off the yak. When I see you, it ain't nothing you can say to me. Ball your fist, take your ass whipping gracefully. Park cub, don't think you know what I'ma do to you. Them niggas know why I ain't show up at that funeral. Hey, but suckers be on sucker shit as usual. No disrespect.
Bro, they not like us, got some personal shit, bro. Trust me.
Back to the fam, it was beautiful. It's been a minute since the band made a musical. You probably make a few more bands in a cubicle. Walking this down as if I didn't have a vehicle. Sir, the condition that you're in is looking critical. With AAA, but I'm a product of the general. Apologizing, it might not have to get physical. Like niggas psych, you might just spot me in your living room. Double C, I'm from the deuce, I need collateral. Stuff cuz in the back of a Humvee and make it flammable. Grab me gas, another drop, another article.
Hey, first I like how he catch a beat right there. Or just talk about the top and the collarbone. Yeah, it's
chopper
tough.
for any nigga think they Spartacus. Grand Avenue trophies, go ask about us, we be parking shit. I'm from the city where tough titties turn to carcasses. They rap like they was in the streets, but they was far from me. Fuck nigga, stop playing before I start something. Somebody better check his post, mix.
Bro, this quality is tough, bro. The guy don't use everywhere in the world. You understand? The guy only uses his house right there. You understand? And the car right there with some different angle. This guy's tough, bro.
Heart pumping, keep playing with the waters till you see a shark coming. Threw some right crosses that they draw like I was shot putting. I'd keep it real if I thought your career was promising. Same song, 100 different beats, that should be comedy.
That's common. Same song got different beat. Hear me, I say people subscribe right now. You understand? Yes, and thank you. You reach the end of the video. You get what me I say? Yes. Subscribe to me. You understand? Yes. And subscribe to this channel, One Code Music. Thank you. And follow me on Instagram. Alright? Yes. I'm out.